2, 1, go! I'm winning! I'm winning! The pedals move by themselves! Huh? What are you doing, Mommy?
But that's not fair.
You couldn't have done it alone. It's too difficult and tiring.
But, Mommy, I know how to ride the bicycle. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where could he be?
Toby is behind there.
But, Grandma!
Come on, Tip. You wouldn't have found him alone.
Tip, I'm tired of this. And I am too. Now stop helping me. Let me do it myself.
That's very good news.
This is not fair. It helps me pedal.
Okay.
L'ispirazione cambia la prospettiva e trasforma il quotidiano.
The Super Explorer.
Tip, this is the real bracelet. You can't keep it.
Of course I can keep it. I found it. Even you said that when you find something on the ground, you can keep it.
Only if it doesn't belong to anyone.
But this doesn't belong to anyone. I found it on the ground. Isn't that right, Daddy? I can keep it, right?
I'm sorry, Tip, but a bracelet always belongs to someone. Someone lost it, and that person is sure to be sad because she